Okay folks, how you going? A bit of an unboxing today. I picked up a package in the mail. This is hopefully going to be another EACHINE drone, which is the same as the make as the EACHINE E59 I have here. However, this one here is the mini EACHINE E58, and it's an EACHINE E59, which is again your 2.4 gig 6-axis, and it apparently looks a hell of a lot like this one here. So, but it's made by EACHINE, not JJRC. So let's have a look. Let's rip them open. Nicely packed from our friends at banggood.com. So, typical Banggood packing. Here it is. Oh, slightly scrunched. It's come a long way from China. I'm pretty sure ordered the red one, but we'll have to wait and see. Something I'll show you guys here. If you look on the Banggood side, it actually shows you the EACHINE. This is the one I've purchased here. It actually shows it with a remote, but I'm a bit skeptical as to whether or not it's going to come with a remote. So this will be very interesting to see. But as you can see, it is not too dissimilar from the JJRC drone we have here, which I've done a review of, by the way. Alright, let's unpack this box and see if it's not, yeah, slightly damaged. Shouldn't be too good. Scrunch. It's had a big scrunch, hasn't it? Oh, ooh. Yeah, okay. So, the E59 EACHINE comes with its very own remote control unit, powered by 3 AAAs. Terrific. And we also get a 2 spare props, 4 spare props, 2 red, 2 black, and the USB standard mandatory charger to charge up your drone, which is well and truly jammed in this cheap ass packaging. Right. Okay, so like I said, what do you guys reckon? Folds the same, legs are the same. One's made by EACHINE, one's made by JJRC. Well, they could have almost come straight out the same factory, couldn't they? Camera looks a bit different. Almost looks like an LED, but we'll have to sort out some footage of that and see how it goes. Let's get some batteries in here. Okay, so we have some batteries in there. I assume this drone is ready to go. Normally comes with a little bit of charge, so let's fire it up, see what happens. A few specs on this: folding arms, 1 key start, 1 key landing, obviously your standard 2.4 gig, does flips like normal, your usual return to home feature, headless mode, and it's got LED lights, comes in green or red. Apart from that, yeah, it's just your standard cheap China drone that flips and does gear. What I do like about it compared to the other two is it comes with a remote rather than using your phone. So it's a bit of a pain flying with your phone, so I'm going to have a check of this, test and see how it goes. A couple of LEDs at the front and a couple of LEDs at the back. White front, red rear, red props front, black back. speed control, very important, your speed control, which is number 2. This one up here is your speed control. Sorry, I'm going to turn it off. Speed control, number 3, flips and rolls. Left joystick, yeah, right joystick. Left right rotation. Fine tuning. So fine tuning left right is here. And these are your other fine tunings for up and down here. Number 10 is fine tuning left right sidewards. Okay, so these are all fine tuning basically. Yep, wish me luck. I'm assuming to pair it is all the way up and all the way back. And it is, and by the look of it, the second you lift up, she launches. So let's go for a little flight. A new EACHINE E59. A little bit of wind, shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to fly with a remote controller unit. You can still use the app, so you can do your recording, which I'll do next video, but right now it's just going to be a first flight, just to see how it copes with everything. Okay, and up we go. Oh, yeah, really fast on the controller. We'll see if I can get it to a level plane. Might need to adjust some trimming here. Doesn't like the wind like most of these small drones. Try and get it down here. It's pretty quiet. It's a bit quieter than the JJRC. Just going to do a bit of forward tracking here. And a bit of left tracking. Try and get the trim sorted out so that we can just stay nice and still. It's maxed out. So as you can see guys, this is on, oh, that's number 2 speed. Oh, this is a fast little unit. Crash. Oh, that really launches, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. And I'm on the slowest speed setting here too. This is quicker, and 3 beeps for the fastest, so oh, keep it on the 1. That's crazy fast. Gee whiz guys, give yourself some room when you're flying this one. Let's see if I can get it close so we can have a bit of a squiz. There's no wind, so yeah, JJRC E59, sort of doing what it wants here. And a little bit of wind, we don't like, do we? Using the controllers not too bad actually. Certainly a lot easier than using the phone. See if we can get this going with it before the wind picks up. It's quite hard to keep it on a level playing field. Very touchy up and down joystick. The slightest movement and yeah, it's gone up or it's gone down. The slightest movement on the controls, if you guys can see that. It's very hard, but still it's certainly not going to, it's no good for altitude hold by itself. As you can see, the joystick doesn't have a return to home, it just either goes up or goes down. So in my next video I'll do a battery, oh, bit of wind, battery test, see how long the battery lasts for. Set on number 1. Battery I don't think is quite fully charged yet, so, and I'm assuming the lights will flash when the battery goes flat. Let's try a roll here, shall we? So, oh yeah, that's alright, pretty good. And another right one, yeah, that's pretty good. What about a left side roll? Still left one. Yeah. Now, does it do forward rolls? That's the question. Oh, it does. And let's try a backward roll now. Well, that could have gone anywhere. That's pretty cool. So we can sort some of this trim problem out that we have here. We could be getting low on power. So, oh, I've got it right where I want it there. So it's a pretty quiet, steady looking drone. Pretty cool. I think we'll leave it there for now. One more roll. Now we've got the lights flashing now. It won't flip when the battery light's flashing. So there you go, note to self. I don't know if you guys can see that. Red light of the black flashing and out of power. So there you have it, folks. The EACHINE E59. Looks like a fun little drone. I'm going to go put some charge in this battery now. There you have it, folks. Hope you've got something from this. Yeah, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and plenty more of the E59 testing videos to come. Like I said, range test, mobile device test, height, battery longevity. See how long the battery lasts for. Around 7 minutes for this. Actually no, it's about 5 minutes for this JJRC and about 6 I believe for this one. So be interesting comparison to see. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good evening. Cheers. I'll catch you later.